How to delete your story on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your story on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. When you go to your Instagram, click on the home icon or click on your profile and click on your story. Now this is my story. All I need to do to delete this story is click on more, which is those 3 points, and click on delete. Now you can restore unarchived stories for 24 hours or 30 days for archived stories. And now you choose if you wanna save it or delete it. I'm gonna click on delete, and now like you see, my story has deleted. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.